This is number 2 from the 2025 8th grade math STAAR test. It says Janice deposits $4,500 into an investment account that earns 4% simple interest. She makes no additional deposits or withdrawals. Complete the sentence about the amount of interest earned and the total balance after 5 years. So after 5 years, Janice's investment account will have earned blank in interest and will have a total balance of what? So there's just a few things I want to highlight before we move forward. So she deposits $4,500, and so that's going to be her starting amount, and she's earning 4% simple interest. She makes no additional deposits or withdrawals, and we're going to find the amount of interest earned and the total balance after 5 years. So because we're talking about simple interest, we're going to use the formula I equals PRT. Okay, so I is just going to be the interest earned. P is going to be the principal or the initial amount or the starting amount. R is going to be the interest rate, and we're going to write that as a decimal. And T is going to be time, and that's going to be in years. So we have the starting amount, we have the interest rate, we have the time in years, and so we're just going to plug all this into our formula. So we're going to have I is equal to the initial, which is 4,500, times the interest rate. So the interest rate is 4%, but we need to change that to a decimal. So we're going to take our decimal and move it 2 places to the left and fill in that 0 right there. And so our interest rate as a decimal is going to be 0.04. And then we just have to multiply times 5 because that's our time in years. And so now we can find the interest earned by doing 4,500 times 0.04 times 5, and that's going to give us 900. So that means that this first blank after 5 years, Janice's investment account will have earned $900 in interest. And so now to find the total balance, we're going to take the $900 of interest and we're going to add it back to the starting amount of 4,500 or 4,500. Okay. So once we add those two together, we're going to get 5,400, and that's going to be our total account balance now. And so that's going to go in our second blank. She's going to have a total balance of $5,400, and that will wrap up this problem, and that is all you have to do.